Oh, slow down, slow down. Okay, I've had a few requests for this one. We're gonna have a go at flying manual inside. I'm gonna start safe first, do it in the garage. So see if I can take off in manual, fly around a little bit, come back down and land. If I do that successfully, we're gonna move inside where the risk is a little bit higher. There's more walls, harder floor and more obstacles. I first tried this, I don't know, like 4 weeks ago. It did not go well. Let's see if my skills have improved enough to survive. Okay, so we are recording. We are in manual. We've got it at 9 degrees, so nice and easy, not too fast. Throttle down, motor starting. Okay, lots of skipping about, but let's go again. Better. Okay, we're surviving. Hard to go slow, hard to hover, but we're not crashing. Okay. Okay, I'm going to call that a success. Let's try inside where it's going to be a bit trickier. Okay, we are now inside fully. We do have a couple of safe areas. We've got the nice soft couch. Hopefully I can land on there. That's the plan. So we'll have a fly around, and if I survive, we'll land back on the couch and see what happens. I have covered up the sinks and stuff like that, but let's see what happens. Fingers crossed. So same deal, let's try and take off in manual, 9 degrees. We have throttle down, motors starting, and we are up. Okay. Not bad. Whoa. Crash number one, not too bad. I just went too far backwards, so I'm drifting about quite a bit, and then caught the blinds, and that was it. Caught in, we're in manual, throttle down, motor starting. Oh, slow down, slow down. Not bad. Once I've got the control, it's fine. It's when it gets out of control I'm trying to stop it before it goes mental. So they can fly around myself. Oh, hit something. Dog's not keen. This is probably silly, but we'll have an attempt of going down the corridor here. Nice and slow. Oh. Okay, I'll turn around. Nope, no. Okay, that was a big ask going down there. It's dark, it's small, it's not much space. Where is it, Rosie? Okay, let's go for one more attempt. Fly around a little bit, and then I just want to land with control back on the couch. That better. Nice. No, it's starting again. Oh, Rose is not happy. On the telly. On the telly. Okay, I'm happy with that. I think that's pretty cool. Yes, I crashed a couple of times, but I think once I can keep control of it, where it's not going, it gets crazy and then I have to chase it and try and make big corrections and then just hit things. We have our first breakage on the new one. So unfortunately, the protector thingy is broken. I'm not overly worried about that. Oh, and I got one of these guards. Okay, let's stick it into manual, but we need a little bit more degrees, make it a bit more fun, speed-wise. Let's go. Oh, Jesus. That's not a good start. Let's start that again. Bit more, 26. Okay, we're gonna go a bit faster now. Let's see. Yeah, the gap. Whoa. I think what it is I've been playing the simulator, so liftoff, and I've selected a faster, more powerful drone now. And that picks up really fast. So when I'm diving and going down, where the Neo doesn't feel like it's got enough thrust now after using that one. So I just need to calibrate myself again and maybe not get silly and use a really powerful drone on this simulator. not chop my head off as well. Battery level low. What am I on? 20%. Go through that gap in the tree. Okay. Up, 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 up. Whee. Oh dear. Okay. That's not good. That was just really stupid. I was going way too fast and I didn't line up any sort of gap. I just sort of hoped because I was rushing because I was running out of battery. Okay, let's take it off in manual. Okay, so just having to play with that loop again. This time I won't get silly and put it in the tree. Jesus. Okay. Didn't like that corner watch. Motor's starting. Okay, let's do the finale. Let's land in the boot. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's sort of automatically. Just bumped into me. Okay, we didn't make it into the boot, but another fun, successful time flying. We have one little bit of damage from today when I hit that. I don't know what I hit. I think when I went down the corridor at home, the hallway in the house. But apart from that, really good, normal deal. Let me know if you have any questions. If you are learning manual, get on that simulator. Super fun and obviously a lot less risk. If you have any advice, stick it down there as well. And I'll speak to you guys in the next one.